Just packed all my stuff. This is my suitcase.
Hey guys, it's Hannah and we're going to Mexico tomorrow. Today is August 3rd, tomorrow is August 4th, and I'm gonna vlog the whole thing. We're going to Cabo San Lucas and we have to wake up at 3:45. I finished packing and this is my carry-on, not much, and then I'm watching Netflix and uploading so I have space.
So right now it's 4:08 and here's the time. Ew. And we're going out to the car right now. I want to record the
Waiting for the bus shuttle and they parked their car.
I have one long, like 25 minutes.
Are we on different flights?
Update, there is a problem with our thing when we let us check in. And our flight is in less than 2 hours. I don't know if we're gonna make it. It was $7. This thing is tiny. Look. Wait, let me record. And this is so good, guys. We are in Texas and I drove on the plane. In Dallas.
Oh, and we have to
I have a headache.
It doesn't matter, it's still crooked.
How's it crooked?
Like, look at that sign.
See? It's not working. Santa Anita, Mexico.
Getting a car.
Our hotel, guys. Man.
Alright, sad.
Oh,
So we're at our hotel and here we're in a jacuzzi and we have this balcony. I'll give you two later.